Hi, welcome to Ask Chef Gilles part 33. So last week I showed you how to fillet king cobia fish, and today I will show you how to cook it. It's going to season it with a little bit of salt, pepper, and we're going to put a little bit butter in a pan, in a cold pan. We're going to put the fish on top, and we're going to put this in the oven, 180 convection heat. Now we're going to check our fish. We're going to do a bit of what we call basting. So we're going to take a bit of butter and put it on top so it will stay nice and moist and nice and juicy. So to check how the fish is cooked, you just take a fork or a needle something. If it's still a little bit hard in the middle like this, still resistance, we need a little bit more. So depending on the thickness, it will take between 5 to 8 minutes to cook. So now we're about 8 minutes in our time. So I'm going to check one more time. So now it's nice and smooth all the way. So lentils go in the middle, spring onions, baby carrots, put a little bit sauce, pan roasted king cobia with green lentils, some baby carrots, spring onion, and a red wine beurre blanc. So I'll show you how it looks inside. You can see it will be nice and juicy. Nice and flaky.